Hey fam, let's make these irresistible chicken kebabs with our Varo Jollof Sauce Hot. Grab your ingredients: Varo Jollof Sauce in hot, fresh veg and juicy chicken thigh. Marinate the chicken with our hot Varo Jollof sauce, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, paprika and a pinch of salt. Give it all a good mix and let those spectacular flavors soak right in. Now, thread the chicken onto skewers with the bell peppers, red onion and cherry tomatoes. Delicious flavor in every single bite. Pop them into the air fryer and voila! Serve with our Varo Jollof Rice. Enjoy the spice and zing!